What's up, mother flippers? Alright, we found the next project. 2021 Yamaha Yz250F. $650. It's all apart. Has some good suspension, got some good parts. Motor's all apart in a box. Most of the engine, it says. The guy didn't want to be on camera, but this is it right here. So, doesn't look too bad. It's definitely all apart. It's got good tires on it, the rims look good. It's got the suspension like he said, it's got pro taper bars. But this is our motor here. We got the cases, the valve cover, the clutch assembly, the head. I don't know if this is even the right head. We got a cylinder in there. The cylinder actually looked pretty good. Looks like we got some extra. Nope, no, that's part of it. We have an extra spring. When we get back to the house, we will unload all this and see exactly what we got. I know he said we're missing the top of the airbox, all the plastics, none of the side panels we have. The header for the exhaust is missing. He said the CDI box was missing. I don't know if this is it, or if this is just another module, but we got the throttle bodies, we got the tank with the pump. There is a battery in there, both parts of the seat. So the front brake is here in this box. There's no chain. Definitely missing some stuff. When we get it all, we'll see what we have of all the motor and price it out. But if it was just the motor pieces, it would definitely be worth buying the plastics and the other missing stuff, the airbox, this, that. Probably end up buying a whole new exhaust if we were to fix it to get it running, because this is kind of crunched up here. But in all reality, it looks, this might just be a parts bike. We might be just selling this for parts. But I did get a clean title with this too, and we got this for 400 bucks, so it's definitely worth the gamble. I really don't have much luck with blown up 4-strokes, but this one's new, pretty new, so it was worth the gamble. Okay, we got it up here. Kinda emptied out these boxes. And it looks like we pretty much have the whole motor. The head's all disassembled. And I mean, I don't see anything that's like visibly terrible with it, but other than the cam lobes here. The cam lobes are definitely, that one's trashed. I don't know if you could see it. The cylinder still looks pretty good. The story I got is that this guy, when he bought this bike, it was 2 bikes and this was the extra bike, and they had rebuilt the motor for this, but supposedly the oil pump wasn't good. Some sort of issue with the oil pump, and it toasted the motor. That's why it's supposedly apart again. And then it looks like they were using some other parts, but from what I can see, it looks like almost the whole motor's there, but it's missing so much other stuff that I don't know if it's going to be worth putting it back together. The muffler is crushed on the end. It's missing the header. It's missing all the plastics. Missing the top of the airbox. What else did he say was missing? I see the suspension is leaking again. But it's got good rims, good tires, frame with the title. Could sell the suspension, the seat, the tank with the fuel pump, the starter, the cases. There's an extra spring. I mean, I definitely think I can make some money just selling the parts. But we'll have to really go through it all and see what we got. Not even so much the motor, just after the motor's in there, price out the exhaust. He said the CDI box was missing. I have to confirm that or not. I mean, I see some sort of module here. I don't know if that's the CDI though. But, I mean, parts are definitely worth something. It's a 2021, it's still pretty new. Got this stand with it too. But, let's see what happens.